Hello and welcome to the Royal King of Bling makeup tutorial. And for this look, I am using these supplies. I am using red, blue, and gold Mardi Gras beads, which I am covering 90% of my face. I am adhering them to my face using the liquid latex, and I am using a Q-tip as an applicator. I've already glued down my eyebrows using the liquid latex, so I will be blocking my eyebrows out with a foundation stick. Now here in my little color sketch, I just wanted to show you some of the colors that I am using, mostly on my neck. There will be some yellow paint on my face, but I am using yellow, blue, and red Snazaroo paint to paint my neck. Before I get started, the Mardi Gras beads came in long strands of beads, so I have already pre-cut these into smaller sections of like 3 beads, 4 beads, and 5 and 6. That way it's easier for me to work with them on my face. If I were to take a long strand of beads and glue around my face like that, that seems like that would be easier, but if I were to animate my jaw or move it, some of the beads would break loose more easily and just kind of be dangling. So I'm hoping cutting them in smaller strands allows them to stay on my face longer. My strategy to glue all these beads on my face in a pattern is I will start with the parameter and glue the beads starting from my forehead all the way down first, setting the parameter borders on my face. Then I'm going to start gluing from my eyes outward and upward and downward towards the parameters. Okay, let's begin this transformation. And this completes the application of applying the beads to my face and painting my face with the face paint. It's now time to compare my face to my art piece drawing. It's now time for me to get into full costume and to show you my complete and finished look. And cheers to the Royal King of Bling. The Royal King of Bling. I do hope you enjoyed the Royal King of Bling makeup tutorial. Please check out my other makeup tutorials, subscribe to my channel, and click that little bell icon at the bottom of the video to receive a notification of my next makeup tutorial. And until then, cheers to the Royal King of Bling!